Hey first-time homeowners, if you want to stop bathroom sink blockage from blocking up your bathroom sink, you gotta know how to disconnect the pivot rod from the pop-up stopper. Oh yeah, your pop-up stopper has a pivot rod.
Don't look so guilty. Your parents probably just dumped corrosive chemical drain cleaner into their pipes. Then again, these are the same people who flipped out over the whole Y2K bug. Google it. But such cleaners can damage your home's pipes, causing bigger problems in the long run when you could simply extract the obstruction. Likely a repulsive congealed mass of hair, toothpaste, soap, scum, mucus, and anything else you washed off or spit out. All you need is soft skills and a strong stomach.
Here's how to dismantle your sink stopper assembly to clear bathroom sink clog manually.
Find the pop-up stopper assembly. Keeping a hold of the stopper in one hand, use the other hand to unscrew the pivot rod. Disconnect the pivot rod from the stopper. Pull the stopper out. Use needle nose pliers or some other slender, grabby instrument to pull out the repugnant mass. Now replace the stopper. Again, holding the stopper with one hand topside, thread the end of the pivot rod back through the eye of the lift rod. Retighten the pivot rod and test your stopper. Run some water in the basin to check your work. It should drain freely. And there you have it. Your sink drain and your conscience are clear. Oh, and can you please share this with your parents on Facebook?